A little bit of a late start, but first things first, locate your seat, fold down from the trunk. Some people don't know this exists. It folds down right there. And you're gonna come up over here. And what I like to do on these is try and flex if you can. It's slightly difficult sometimes. But you want to get your flat head under one of these corners here. I'll show once it's out. Just like this. Once you get that flat head in, shimmy it in right in the center. There's a little clip. I'm going to pop it back. And once that's off, I'm going to slide down and work that little third clip out as well. Do this for both sides. Alrighty, if I can get fucking light in there. Looks like it's going to be impossible with these headlamps, but there's one bolt on this side. And on the other side, right there, and just for the fuck of it, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with a torque wrench, because for whatever fucking reason, everyone makes this shit such a big deal. They say, oh, you gotta pull the fucking full deck lid, oh, you gotta do this shit, this shit, this shit. You don't even need a flex socket, guys. Oh. There we go. Everybody makes such a big deal about, oh, you gotta pull this whole fucking deck lid. Fuck that. You can use a torque wrench. Once you're breaking free, grab the nuts out with your fucking hands. Sorry for cursing, YouTube. I just find it very obnoxious that nobody's been able to make a single video without pulling this whole fucking deck lid. Other than some dude in Spanish, he's clutch. Yeah. Boom. Boom. This is a bitch to do solo. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have a hard time recording exactly what I'm doing. But that nut right in front of your sway bar link, and over here actually is the nut. Sorry, the other side is the bolt head. They're both 17s. Get yourself an impact, get yourself a breaker bar, whatever the case. I'm a fucking moron. I forgot that's part of the fucking strut. You can't fit jack shit on there. So get your trusty dusty impact. And if it isn't happy coming out, you just need to get a little tap-tap-a-rooney, but she came out with that. And this is where I would say, get yourself a nice set of pry bars. It makes it way fucking easier. Oh. Might actually have to go with the one just a little bit shorter in there, so I don't fuck up the paint as if it's not already fucked. But you can get yourself a little shorter pry bar. Right up in there. Oh, fucking bitch to record solo. Wish I had somebody here. But what you gotta do is work her up. And then if you got a big fucking hammer, take a couple swings right there. Just make sure that your pry bar does not lose its grip, because as you can see, she's a little shallow. So I'm gonna work my way in with an even smaller pry bar. Ideally, make sure she's in the right direction now. Ooh, look at that beautiful fleck. I love my cord. Now that we have a little pry bar in here, we can really work her. Start to move her. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna be a bitch with one hand. I'll catch you guys in a second. Free. Get you guys a little fucking S-clip. I got mine from Snap-on. You don't have to. I just find it very useful to apply leverage in a little bit different spots instead of just on the piece itself. But now that she is jammed pretty deep right in here, I'm gonna have to cut it again. You wanna lower your control arm. You don't gotta pull the sway bar link. You don't gotta pull anything else. You don't gotta disconnect no ball joints. You're gonna wanna apply some down force on the control arm. Get your clearance. Be very careful not to knuckle bust yourself. I would highly recommend, if you can. This set's great. Not the best for this. If I was at the shop, I'd have the giant pry bar, but she'll make do. What you want to do is compare your old strut to your new strut. I'm gonna go run inside and grab mine. You guys, if you're using KYBs, strut plus for the rears, your SR4173 is for the passenger, and your 4174 is for the driver. Just get a look at the parts, verify everything is correct. This is that nut that's welded to the strut itself. And it looks like we're all good for install. Take the fucking nuts off first. You don't want to be wondering why your part isn't going in, all because something stupid. But these little stickers up here, you can leave them, you can take them off, it's up to you. If it's a customer vehicle, I usually like to leave it. This is my car. I'm not letting anybody touch my car, so I'm gonna take it off. Guys, we got this side in. Fucking phone died, couldn't really show the process. But if we come over here, what you want to do with your S-hook, if you don't got an S-hook, you're gonna need a fucking long ass pry bar, gentlemen. Put your pry bar right in here for leverage on the C-arm. And while that's up, you're gonna place this one right about here. But it's gonna be going through this so you can compress the strut so you can get it right in that hole first time. Cheers. Just before I fucking forget, your long 17 mil that goes into the bottom of the strut fork is 47 foot-pounds. Your two up in the cabin are 41 foot-pounds. For those of you wondering and can't find a torque shape, fuck it, run it. Give her a nugget with the impact if you don't got a torque wrench, but torque things to spec if you can. I have the new hardware on the old struts. Fuck using new lock nuts, guys. Use the factory hardware if you still got it. It's coated in this green anti-corrosion shit. Tell you what though, trash compactor gonna have one fucking hell of a day with that shit.